Welcome to part 2 of building your layout, laying the track ballast. Now you're ready to start laying your track ballast. First, mix some PVA wood glue with water so it has a smooth consistency, approximately 50-50. Using a 1-inch 300mm paintbrush, apply the glue in between the lines you drew either side of the track. Don't worry if you go over the lines, apply the glue in small sections, approximately 18 inches at a time. Open the bag of R7165 grey ballast or any other ballast that is included in the Scales Scenic range and carefully sprinkle the ballast over the wet glue. Once you have applied the ballast to the first section, move on to the next and repeat the process. You may find it easier if you use a small sieve to help sprinkle the ballast evenly. After applying the ballast to all of the track area, wait for the glue to dry and then tip the board up so that any loose ballast falls away. You may find it an easier option to use a small dustpan and brush to sweep away the residue rather than tip the board up. It is advisable to tip the board onto a piece of newspaper so that the excess ballast can be collected up for use again. Any thin areas of ballast can be simply filled by painting glue over the area again and sprinkling more ballast onto the missing or thin area. Leave this to dry, and then once it is dry you can move on to laying the track. Click here to watch the next video.